hope you are all well and having an amazing start to your week. I was really excited to get a cleaning video out for you this week and giving you some ultimate motivation. Now today I'm sharing with you a clean with me, so grab a drink, a snack and come on and clean alongside me. And today I'm sharing a bit of a clean with me with a little bit of a twist. We have lots of cleaning and organising to do, but you guys loved a cleaning video I did a few months ago, which was an all-day pink clean with me, and I was just using pink cleaning products. So I thought a little bit of a twist, because it's summertime, I thought I would use all yellow cleaning products. So I'm doing a bit of organising at the beginning of this video, and then I'm tackling some full-on areas that I absolutely hate to clean. So today I'm tackling those areas that I just don't like going near but need to be done, and I'll be using all yellow cleaning products for that, so make sure you stay tuned. But I'm starting off in Klayton's room. Klayton has made his bed, he's tidied his room the best that he can, and I need to organise his drawers. This lockdown has meant that he has had basically a free-for-all in his drawers, and my organisation and time has just gone downhill. I would normally spend lots of time organising their drawers and keeping on top of the washing when the boys are at school and nursery, but that hasn't happened, and they've been getting themselves ready quite a bit. Plus we had a holiday right before lockdown, which meant we had a lot of new clothes because he had outgrown a lot of stuff for summer the previous year, and so they've just not really found a really good home. And he's outgrown loads of stuff as well, so I really needed to sort through these. So I'm getting everything out of the drawers, sorting them out into their areas, and then in between these two shots that you'll see coming up, these two clips, me and Klayton, we had a little mini fashion show. Took about 45 minutes to an hour, and we tried on everything in his drawers. Now I still need to do this with Parker, and I did attempt to do it today. So my sons are 5 and 3, or just turned 3 for anyone that is new around here, and Parker just did not want to play ball. So I think this is going to be a slowly but surely one with Parker, but Klayton loved it. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm organising all of the drawers, and then I'll be popping them all back in once I have decluttered.
Hold on, you feel alone by yourself, about to give up, but I won't. We keep falling down until we start to tear, but we can still be strong. So wipe out all your tears when words die.
Now, I can't even tell you how long this has been weighing on my mind and my heart and my soul. Having their drawers a mess has actually caused havoc. I've been asking Klayton to go and get ready, and he's not known what he should be picking up, what still fits in. I'm like, no, that doesn't fit, that doesn't fit. I just haven't had the time, and so I'm so glad I tackled this. And also, I love my boys in matching clothes because they're at that really cute age. They will probably hate me for that in the future, because I remember looking back and not liking it when my mum did it with me and my sisters, but I absolutely love it, and I can't find any of their clothes to match. And Parker's drawers are a hell of a lot worse because he has so many hand-me-downs from when Klayton was a little baby. And I don't know about you, but I find that he's got so many more clothes because I buy him new ones to match, and he has the hand-me-downs. I'm so glad this is done now. It has worked out so much better, and in turn I've managed to see all of the clothes that he has. At the moment he's not wearing a school uniform to school right now. He has gone back over here in the UK. Reception and year 1 and year 6 have gone back to school, so he went back a couple of weeks ago, but he has to go back in his own clothes. So that means I need like a separate drawer for like garden and rough play, and then his nice drawer of clothes as well. And I find drawers really work well for us. We're very limited for space in terms of wardrobe space, whilst keeping the same sizes in the room and keeping a lot of areas for them to play. And these drawers from IKEA I absolutely love. And yeah, this was the pile that I was left with of stuff that I had to put away. It was tragic. finally feel like I can breathe and that life has resumed some sort of normality and that everything is good in the world. But now I'm moving on to the cleaning part, and I have some new products to share with you today. I went out and did a little bit of a yellow haul, and the first thing that I've got is this Fabulosa. Now, you guys know I rave about the Dettol spray and I absolutely love it. But this one is amazing. It's in this lemon sherbet scent. It does everything that the Dettol one does. You can use it on hard and soft surfaces. But oh my gosh, the smell from this is amazing. I love using this on doors, mattresses and all sorts. Then I have got my trusty Dettol washing machine cleaner. I love this in the lemon breeze scent. A bit of Domestos bleach, and I will show you what I'm doing with this in a little bit. And some more Fabulosa, same scent, very similar to Zoflora, but that was amazing. And I'm also trying out this new bin buddy spray. Never tried this before, and I will give you my thoughts later on, alongside my trusty elbow grease and my glass and tile buddy. Now these are new as well, and I will share with you if I like these or not a little bit in the video. Plus my trusty e-cloth, which I shared in my last video, and I am obsessed with it. So I'm just starting out by making myself some spray. I didn't buy myself any Dettol spray or anything like that. And here I am just smelling it and realising how amazing it smells. Now obviously make sure you dilute this to the proper quantities. I have a little kitten, so obviously making sure I do that and wipe down any spillages is of utmost importance to me. And then I'm moving on to my bins. I'm just emptying them. Now this is another area that I just had to tackle. We have these bins that we built into our cupboard because we don't really have a space to pop them anywhere. And I've got this bin buddy spray that I tried out. Now this scent is amazing. I really love the citrusy scents, especially in the summer. It says you literally spray it into the bins and leave it for 20 seconds and then you can wipe the bins down. Now my bins were really bad. We seem to have a habit in this house of not filling up and putting a bin bag back in the bins when it has been emptied. So again, I've been out of my routine, and for the last few weeks, I'm not going to lie, this has been bad. Parker always pops stuff in these bins, so even if there's not a bin bag, he will pop them in. So I started off by doing this, and then I did pop some Fabulosa in the bottom, and I was obsessed with this. And you can also use this bin buddy spray on food as well. So if there is waste already in the bin, you can kind of spray it in if it's smelling a bit pongy, which I love the idea of.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
And whilst I'm here, I just wanted to give you guys one last reminder that we have just 2 days left, today and tomorrow, for you guys to sign up to my How to Start and Grow a Successful YouTube channel, where I'm sharing all of my knowledge from the past 6 years with you on how I did it, and literally propelling you guys to that amazing place whereby you can excel your channel from day dot. So I actually launched a pay day discount code as well, whereby you can get 25% off of my course. Now that expires on midday on Tuesday, so you don't have long. Midday on the 30th of June, that code expires. The code is PAYDAY25. I will leave the link below if any of you guys are considering it, because it is a huge discount, and this course is already hugely discounted as well, so that I could give as many of you guys the chance to create a life that you dream of and that you love. But there are only 25 codes for the payday offer, and some of you guys may have already used it over on my Instagram, because I did announce this over the weekend. And if you're not following over there, I will leave my handle on the screen so you can be the first to hear when I share and upload all sorts of different content. And I'm over there for daily ramblings as well if you like that kind of thing, so definitely pop on over and say hello. But I will leave everything below. The course closes at 12 PM on the 30th of June, so make sure you're there. And now I am just cleaning these. Now these are the extractor fan, what would you call these, like the trap thingies? I can't even remember what they're called. That's awful, isn't it? But this is what catches basically all the grease in the extractor fan area, and these can go in the dishwasher. So many people don't know that. I actually had my friend a couple of months ago phone me up after watching one of my cleaning videos. She was like, oh my gosh, I never knew you could do that, but you can. So obviously be careful. Some of them aren't metal ones and they can't go in the dishwasher. Some of them are paper that you replace, or filter paper as such, but these ones you can. And then I'm using my trusty elbow grease. I find this works the very, very best. Again, all of those grease splatter stains. Oh, that was a bit of a word teaser, wasn't it? Grease splatter stains off of the stainless steel. I absolutely love using this on there, and it works a treat.
I ain't got no time for romance, but baby, I don't want to lead you on. Not looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, or show me what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body. We were dancing in the dark with every move.
Moving on to cleaning the sink, I have a white sink and stains do build up, and normally I use my trusty old magic eraser, but there are some stains that are just a little bit harder to clean, so I do pour some bleach in here, let it sit for just a couple of minutes. You don't need long at all, and then I give it a good scrub, and the bleach really shines up my tap as well. Not only that, as another two birds one stone as such effect with the bleach, it also cleaned up my sponge a treat. So my sponge is gleaming and yellow once again, and I love these sponges. I mentioned them in my last video, but this one is still going strong. I didn't actually use the new one. This one is still doing really, really well. It's still really cushiony, and I rate it over the Home Bargains, the B&M, the Minkies. This is an e-cloth one. I will leave it linked below. Super cheap off of Amazon. Absolutely love it. And now I'm cleaning the drawer. Now you'll see that I've got my glove on. I am using a glove. A glove for bleach and certain cleaning products is the only time I will use a glove. I can't bear it all other times. But I'm giving my drawer a good clean out, and then I'm also going to go around the rim, the door, and the inside of my washing machine as well with this liquid. And then after that, I'll pour the rest of it inside the washing machine, run it on a 60-degree cycle with no washing in, and let it do its thing. And I love how much this does a really good clean. It says every 2 months to use a deep clean with this, and that's what I do, but I do go around and clean it out all the other times as well.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, but I don't know nothing.
And once I'm done in here, I'm moving on to the living room and cleaning my windows. Now, my window cleaner is due to come today, the day that you're watching this video, and the outsides will be done. But I'm using these new sponges, these new cloths as such, that I picked up. One side is a microfiber type cloth, and the other side is like a chamois style cloth. Oh my gosh. They left them completely streak free, and they were so easy to use. I am so shocked by them. I did think they were going to be a bit of a gimmick, but I thought after a couple of pounds it won't hurt. These are amazing. Head down to B&M and pick yourself up some of these. I will always be honest and truthful when I like or dislike a sort of fad product. I absolutely love this. But if you guys have enjoyed watching this video, then I would love for you to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I have some other new cleaning gadgets that I'm going to be sharing with you over the upcoming weeks as well, which I can't wait to do. And I will see you all again in another video very shortly. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.
Thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too late. Now it's too late.